Okay, let's jump right back in, shall we? The English, very twisty and lots of transpositions possible. The center awaits. Do you see a move that increases your influence and gets a piece in the game? All right, that's a fine option. You played a good move. What to do with these pawns now? Let me pause a second. Are my pieces actually safe here? I should have been more careful with that queen. Good job taking it. You're kicking my knight, making it dance. Ouch. Oh, check, check. Gotta be precise about that. Ah, you took the attacker. I see, I see. Nice one. A solid opening move. Well played. I'm just nudging these pawns forward to claim a little room in the middle. More squares, more power, isn't it? Good one. I should have been more careful with that queen. Good job taking it. Looks like I've given myself some work to do. Not ideal. Okay, trading when you're up is a good idea. Good idea. Okay, let's get my rook out where. Okay, you got my pawn there. A good take. I'm not happy with my position. Okay, you got my rook there. Good job seeing that. This isn't ideal, is it? Bingo, that's a very nice capture there. Well done. Looks like I've given myself some work to do. Not ideal. You're really piling the pressure on my pawn, aren't you? My only move. You are playing a strong game. Just keep on pressing like this. It's time to get my king out of dodge. I really should resign, but I won't. Keep pressing. Great game. I've woven a little threat there. Can you spot it? I'm not feeling great, but you're playing a strong game. Keep pressing. Checkmate is very, very imminent. I must say, nice work. En passant, very nice. I thought I'd have to show that one. That was my only move. Want to try a little challenge? Undo that move and see if you can find the checkmate you had there. Can you spot my plan? What am I threatening? Oh, a check. Okay, let's consider how to deal with this complication. Okay, time to shield my king. I should probably resign, but I won't. You're playing strongly. I should resign, but I won't. You're playing a very strong game. I see you creating some threats. Well done. My bishop needs defending. Gotta be solid. Attacking my pinned piece. It's a bit unkind, but well played. You're definitely on the path to winning this. Good for you. That was my only move. You win. Nice one. Shall we have another go? You grabbed a piece that early? Nice. Never look back, eh? Your opponent went for the English, huh? A slow build, but can squeeze on the queen side. A good way to respond to the English is fighting for the center. Nice one. Your opponent's queen joins the fray. Let's see what's next. Oops, you left a pawn undefended. Gotta watch those little guys. Ah, your opponent left that queen hanging. A chance to capture and win material. They missed a chance. Capturing that queen wins material. They chose one of the best continuations in this position. That's a nice kick, forcing their piece to move. Just good work. Your opponent left their knight unprotected. A simple capture should work wonders. You snagged that free knight. Nice one. I like their choice. Excellent move. Your opponent's pawn advance in the center looks like a space grab. Good development of your queen. Now your center pawn is blocked. They stumbled and it looks like you're you snagged that free pawn. Nice one. Looks like your opponent's oversight wins you a rook. A bit of a gift, isn't it? You grab that free rook. Nice one. Your opponent drops a knight, a tough break, but it doesn't change much. You're continuing the checkmate attack. Okay, let's see how this unfolds. Your opponent's rook joins the fray. Let's see what's next. You're still on the. That was the only move, so your opponent played it, of course. You're not letting up, keeping the pressure on, inching closer to that checkmate. Their king is looking for a quiet spot, dodging your queen's check naturally. You could have mated faster, but you're winning anyway. No worries. Their best option was to create a pawn chain. That's a step closer to forcing checkmate, keep the pressure on. They found the strongest move available. You had an op. They are right on target. You're still on the road to checkmate now. Let's see if you can finish the job. That was the only move, so your opponent played it, of course. A checkmate was there, but this lets your opponent wriggle off the hook. A decent choice. You're continuing the checkmate. Your opponent blocked the check, denying your queen's attack. You're still. Oh, that is quite an error. You got the checkmate. Always feels nice to win. That a very precise move from your opponent. You're still on the road to checkmate now. Let's see if you can finish the job. That was the only move, so your opponent played it, of course. You got the checkmate. Always feels nice to win, doesn't it?